Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Commerce, local and long-distance movers near me. Trying to find a dependable and cheap commerce moving company needs to be easy. 3 Movers strives to make certain your long-distance or local move goes effortlessly. Both commercial and residential moves are taken care of by your team. Regardless of the sort of move you need to complete, we provide the solutions you need. If you're prepared to move into a dorm room, a new household, or even a small business location, we can definitely assist you. We provide the best reliable long-distance moving services to help make your move so much simpler. Whether you're moving a single state over or you just need to move across the country, we're here to help you. Moving isn't simple, but using the best moving services can certainly make things a lot easier. As well as loading, transportation, and unloading, we also provide lots of other moving services including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, always on time, and transparent pricing. It may not be very easy to reconcile the expense of choosing a California moving company. However, after a close look at the primary advantages of working with a local moving company, you will likely see that it's well worth it. You will definitely save time with your local relocation when you hire a moving company. Movers can also make sure you don't need to handle any of the heavy lifting. Our moving crew can make it simple to get to your new location without nearly having as much worry. With a local moving company like 3 Movers, you receive a streamlined move. Even when your move is big enough that it will take you all week, we can get it done in no more than a day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our commerce moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.